Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Google Photos to an external hard drive. Before we begin, make sure to check out our latest software just below this video. Let's get started. I'll be demonstrating two different methods for backing up your photos from Google Photos to an external hard drive. The first method is the manual approach. Here's how you can do it. Start by visiting photos.google.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to select the photos you want to back up. On the top left of each photo, you'll see a small checkbox that allows you to select that particular image. If you want to select multiple photos, you can click on the checkbox next to a specific date. When you do this, all the photos from that date will be selected. Once you've selected the photos you want to download, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, then choose the download option. This will generate a zip file containing your selected photos. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file on your computer. Open it, and from there, you can simply copy the file directly to your external hard drive or USB drive. And that's it! That's the manual method for backing up your Google Photos to an external storage device.